This is a one owner 2009 Toyota Tacoma, 84,000 miles. Texas vehicle, absolutely no rust. Super, super clean and straight. Not a door ding on this thing. Very clean truck. Bed liner, sliding rear window. Brand new tires, aftermarket wheels, super sharp truck, manual transmission. The vehicle is running, it needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Yes, a low mileage, one owner Toyota Tacoma in remarkable condition. Pretty basic truck, cloth interior. Manual transmission, AM, FM, CD, 84,000 miles. Not a rip, stain, or wear mark on the seats or carpeting. So, a 2009 Toyota Tacoma regular cab, manual transmission, 84,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely wonderful condition.